So welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can get your AP key in your Bitget account. So guys, if you're trying to find your AP key or if you want to create a new AP key, then this video is for you. So once you've opened your Bitget account, you would be in this page and you can find options like rewards, referral, copy, launch pool, and more. We just need to go ahead and tap on more. And now guys, just go ahead and search for AP. So scroll down till you find it. And guys, it is right in tools. So right under tools, you can find options like address book, widgets, price alerts, and finally AP keys. Just go ahead and tap here. And now if you have created AP key or if you have them, then you can find them right here. As you can see, I don't have them, so you can't see them. But if you're also trying to create a new key, then just go ahead and tap on this option. And it says here, in order to create a new AP key, you need to bind your mobile number, your email address, or Google Authenticator. Just go ahead and tap on enable. And guys, once you have done so, you would successfully be able to create AP keys. And guys, there you go. That's how you get AP keys in your Bitget account. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.